External storage devices can be used to move your company data onto personal devices. In this video, we will show you device control for Nebula, which allows you to restrict or eliminate the use of removable media on your endpoints. To control how your endpoints treat these devices, navigate to Policies. Under Protection Settings, see the Device Control section. By default, device control allows endpoint users full access to the USB devices. Here, you could change it to allow read-only access to the device for this policy group. This would allow the user to view and open files from the USB, but not to move, delete, or edit them, and also not to add new files from their workstation to the USB. If you select this option, a new field will appear allowing you to customize the message the user will see. You may want to add the contact information for the system administrator. Another option is to block all access to removable media for endpoints on this policy. Want to know whether your policies are having an effect? After your limits have been in place for a while, navigate to Device Control. This will show a list of all attempts to use an external storage device on your endpoints with a restricted policy. Once you've customized your policies, your new restrictions will take effect and your data will be secured. Your device control page will keep logging experiences so you can investigate further.